Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Today we will learn about digraphs. So digraph means that two letter makes a new sound. So here I already wrote, so C and H. C make K sound, H make H sound. So CH makes Ch sound. Okay. So S and H. S make the different sound. S. H में ha. So S and H, so togetherly make a new sound ish. Okay. So like that these words, the words starting with these letters, so that we have to correct as the digraphs. Okay. Like so some words are the letters C and H sound, it comes first in a word, and in some cases C and H make ch sound. These letters comes in the middle of the word. So okay, let's begin. Chair. Chair. C and H make ch sound. Chair. Chase. Ch is. Chase. Cherry. Cherry. Ch is. CHEESE. Cheese. Chew. 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 Chug. 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 Change. 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 Chimp. 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 Chips. 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 Chili. CHILLI. Chili. Child. 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 Chain. 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 Chin. 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 Chill. 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 Chest. 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 Check. 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 Chop. 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 Charm. 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 Chance. 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 Chat. CHART. Chat. So in some words the CH letters comes the end of the word. So like this. Lunch. 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 Punch. 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 Much. 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 Teach. 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 Next. Sh words. Okay. Sheep. 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 Shirt. 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 Shore. 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 Shell. 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 Shine. 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 Shoe. 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 Shark. 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 Ship. 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 Shirt. Short. 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 Shake. 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 Shop. 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 Shower. 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 Shampoo. 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 Sheet. 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 Shut. 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 So in some words the sh sound, the letter S and H, so comes at the end of the word. So for example, dish. 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 Wash. 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 Trash. 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 Push. 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 Fish. 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 Splash. 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 Shape. 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 Share. 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 Brush. 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 CASH. Cash. Wish. 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 Fresh. 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 Smash. 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 So like this we have to learn the digraph words. So when we have to learn these digraph words, so it is easy to read the small sentences for a child. Okay, thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.